Okay. Hey guys, another video. This time, that's no. I'm gonna teach you how to get the glitch cat and shark cat and all the other angel cat. So let's start with the um. hmm, Okay, the angel cat, all of them. So first, go if you go to the lobby, go over here, get get this. Make sure it's the right one. Drink it, and if a bubble appears, that's the correct one. So take the potion. Um, just go the normal way where you're supposed to go. Anyways, go here in the vending machine. Not this. Oh, wait. Here with the guy saying Hazel on top. Go in here. Okay. The, we are in the back rooms. So, oh yeah, right. The music. Anyways, so what you have to do here is you spawn right here. So go go in a straight line, go left, go straight line, go left, and go left, go straight line, right, and right again, and then straight line, and then left. Remember this pattern, and then right, and then turn around like this, and then go into a straight line, go go to your right, go go into a straight line, go left, and here we are. Well, not exactly, but this time something is chasing us and I can't, you know, tell the directions because or else I'll die super fast. So remember where you go, like this, here, that's fake, here, and here. Okay, we are in the Garden of Silence. Yep. So wait for the cutscene. And okay, we are here. So go in a straight line. Don't don't touch the light. Avoid it because if you touch the light, you will turn into stone. So go up here and when we should go to the other angel. What once in here, go right. Yes, right. And go here and then whee! And then bang, untangle it and you get the green angel cat, I think. Yeah, the green angel cat. So you got an angel cat and ouch. And here and then exit and click here and click return. But I'm showing you how to get all. So if you want to get that specifically, go get that. So so what you do here is of course avoid and do you see that cat up here? Yes. There are two ways, that ladder up there or just drinking this potion. So once once you drank the potion, jump and go here, click release, and then you get the blue angel cat. So so you got it. Where are you going? No. Anyways, next is the baby angel cat. Right after you can actually the baby angel cat is actually right here. Yeah, next to the other cat. So so if once you go there, go down and go up here and then seek and then you get that cat. Yeah, the small. And the next one is at the end, but we are missing something. Let me just do that real quick and put me back there. Anyways, so what you should do, hurry up. Okay? What you should do is do the normal path, but this time stop right here. Take this flower. So you have to find 7 flowers. The first one is right here. The other one is behind the stairs. So this time not jump and just fall down and go here and go in a tight space. And so go there. So once you so you already saw this, but there's a flower right here too. Once you get the those who are you? Anyways, once you get those, go here and this. And once you go and take the flower, this is the hardest part of them all. So it's basically like a boulder going down, but light. So the first flower get right here, and when it's gone, run super fast. Shit, shit, shit. Ah! It doesn't matter. You already saw the others. So what you do next is shut up. So what you do next is wait. Just wait for me. I don't know how to edit, okay? So I don't know how to make it speed up. I don't have an editor and I don't need an editor and I don't know how to edit. Anyways, so the the flowers the flowers the thing you get from getting all the flowers is a pink angel cut, I think. Yeah, a pink. So take this flower right here and don't go yet because you know it increases the chance. So let it go right there. Run and take that flower right there. And now you have 7 out of 7. So let it go there and then run, 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 run. So basically just go right here to that to that hole again. And once you get all that flowers, once you get all that flowers, just go back. I don't want to show it. I'm bored. So go back into in here, but don't reset because all your flowers will be lost. And when you get all the 7 flowers, offer her the flowers, and boom, you have that cup. And the next cut is just you know, I don't know, just go finish it. Yep, you scared me. Get out. Anyways, so the the last angel cut is can you get uh whatever, just go there, go straight forward right after when the light is behind there, and the next cut just here, and then you get the thank you, Dad, and what you get is the other angel cut. So that's for the tutorial to get those. So see you in the next one.